Hey guys, this is very interesting question. Can you solve 3 minus 4 times 12 plus 4 divided by 4? Let's solve this step by step. 3 minus 4 equals minus 1, right? Times 12 and plus 4 divided by 4, right? Now minus 1 times 12 equals minus 12 plus 4 divided by 4. Now minus 12 plus 4 equals minus 8 and divided by 4, right? Now minus 8 divided by 4 equals minus 2. But this is not correct, guys, because multiplication must be done before subtraction and addition, and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So now let's solve this again. Multiply first, right? So 3 minus 4 times 12 equals 48 plus 4 divided by 4, right? Now divide first. 3 minus 48 plus 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Now subtraction and addition from left to right. 3 minus 48 equals minus 45 plus 1. Now minus 45 plus 1 equals minus 44, not just 44, right?